It's allergy season, it's sinus season. Die kinders het nie ore nie en die mans ook nie. So I'm going to teach all of you today how to help the people around you to open their ears. And to also help them when they have earache from the sinus that drains from the little nose and it can run into the ears. So if your little one, this is Cormy by the way, she's my second-born little daughter. If your little one has ear pain, a very good technique that you can do is you can take a small cotton bud, little piece of cotton, rub your hands into it, and take Composure Embark number 7, the blue pine oil in your 30 ml dropper. It's concentrated and it's safe to use for the whole family. Take your Embark number 7, drop it on a little cotton bud, roll it between your hands, and then just gently put it inside of your little baby's ear. So if we look at little Miss Muffet here, I'm going to show you as an adult how you can also use this powerful Buddha rod on an adult ear. So for those whose husbands don't listen when they talk, probeer 'n bietjie diep druk. Dit kan dalk net werk. Apply your blue pine oil liberally to your cotton ball and then gently put it in the ear. Now you can decide to use your number 7 roller. I'm a hands-on person. I like the hands, so I would then massage this ear and your area. And remember, she's already now caster packing her thyroid area. But now you can even go as far as taking this small caster oil pack. Laat ek nou net sien waar's my sakkie. And you can now decide to let them just relax on your lap, on the couch, whatever works for you. Put this in the microwave at a nice comfortable heat. This comes with your caster oil pack, and just give that ear pressure and let them lie on a pillow, on the couch, on your lap, on that ear while you stroke their hair. And then apply the number 7 or 22 Embark all the way down the spine, under the feet, and then help them to release that pain of the ear. Toe ore, seer ore, pynlike ore, het nie ore, help die ore.